What does Juliet see in Romeo?
I think there are a few things that she sees. The first one is this immense physical attraction that they have for one another, and the chemistry, the physical chemistry that they have. And I think for her, she sees this really super attractive, beautiful man in front of her with this, dark hair and chiseled jawline and bright bluey green eyes, and she's like, have just been completely swept off my feet, and I'm really intrigued, and I'm curious to know who this person is. The second one is he talks in metaphor, and he is a complete romantic, and she is too. She speaks in metaphor, and I think as soon as he opens his mouth, it's like, oh my God, you speak the same language as me. I'm just like you too. And then the last one is his strength of character. He is so determined to be with her. He's not scared of anything, or anyone. He's completely fearless. And I think that is a quality that she's like, oh my God, wow.
What is it that Romeo finds so attractive about you?
One thing is her passion. I think from the get-go, he connects with someone that clearly is passionate. I think also it's her strength. She's very passionate. She's a strong woman. I think for the other women that he's associated with, not to be mean to Rosaline at all, but I think in comparison, Juliet is a strong, determined woman, especially for her age as well. Not in a patronising way, but I think she is passionate, strong. Also, she's beautiful. She is the most beautiful person I have ever met or could ever imagine.
So, Emma and Josh, what's it been like playing, rehearsing two of the most famous lovers in history?
I mean, it's a challenge, isn't it? Because there's so much pressure to play these two characters. And I think everyone has their own opinion and thoughts about what these characters are and what they're like and what their relationship is like. But I think it's important for us as actors to kind of choose what, and you as a director and the world in which we are creating, to pick the version of these characters that reflect the world, reflect where they are in the play, in the world.
I think also it's that relatable quality that this famous couple bring. It's the possibility of falling in love, which happens to most people, and it is this magical thing. And I think, bringing it back to ourselves, bringing it back to thinking about falling in love for the first time, and making that relatable, making that really personal to ourselves, but also to the audience.